This strategy is mainly for people that are tired of different concepts, analyzing from the daily time frame and to 1 hour to 15 minutes to 5 minutes. If you are tired of all of that, follow this simple concept that I'm about to teach you. You only get to focus on the 30 minutes time frame, and that is just all you need. Okay, follow it and you start seeing instant result, and that's just the way it is. And the only way this strategy can work for you is for you to follow the instructions behind it. And this is very simple. For you to look for a buy setup, you have to wait for what? You have to see price giving you what? Higher highs, okay, higher low on the 30 minutes. Don't forget, on the 30 minutes time frame, okay, and giving you higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, okay, then a higher high. You want price to break structure, the first one, okay, and come give you a higher low, and below this higher low you want to see another break of structure. Okay, look at this break of structure, break of structure. This is double break of structure, which we can see here. Okay, this is first break of structure, although we started from here, but we are looking at where price can possibly present zones. Okay, that is why we started from here. Okay, so looking at this in general is much more like the trend. Okay, and you want price to break structure, and you want to look below that low of the structure that was just broken. Okay, look at this, price broke this, you want to look below this low. This low is our inducement. Take this low as our what? Inducement or liquidity for price to come and grab. Okay, so looking at here now, you want to look for an unmitigated demand, that is a demand that has not been mitigated before. This is just very fresh. There is no wick inside it, or you look for what? Injection block. Okay, that's the only thing you need to look for. You don't need to stress yourself, be it other block or be it your support area. You can also as well use your support and resistance, but make sure you are having an inducement and you are trading aligning in alignment to the trend. That's just it. Okay, so you want price to come, first break of structure, second break of structure, then price should come, grab this, tap into an unmitigated what? Demand area. And that is how you wait for what? The 30 minutes candle to close bullish, then you buy and put stop loss below the 30 minutes candle. That is just all you need for this, and you'll be good. And this is the simple concept that I will be sending more to. I will be doing more videos on this every day so that you guys will understand more of it. Okay, but this is just the first episode. I've been teaching these concepts here ever since. Okay, but this is mainly on the higher time frames. Okay, so some of you guys that do say that I upload different concepts. No, go through all my videos. I've been talking about one concept, never changed anything. So the second one is this one. For you to look for a sell, you need for price to be giving that lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then you want price to break structure what? Twice. This is the first BOS, right? First break of market structure. Then the second BOS is here. The second BOS is this one. So you want to look for a supply area that has not been mitigated above the high of that last lower high. Okay, that's just it. You can see break of structure, give us a lower high, break of structure. This is two confluences. Break, that is the first thing you need to look out for. Two break of structure. Then the second one is a grab of that one to tap into what? An unmitigated what? Supply. That is a supply that has not been mitigated before. Simple concept. 30 minutes time frame only. So we are going to go to GBPJPY on the 30 minutes time frame to see how this works. So guys, this is GBPJPY on the 30 minutes time frame. Previously, you can see that chart was bearish, giving us what? Breaking structure to the downside, right? Then price flipped what? Bullish. Change character. This is the first major BOS that we could possibly see here. Okay, this is a fractal BOS. So since price gave us this major break of structure, we should take this as what? As our first break of structure. Okay, and the second one, price came below. Okay, taking out this low out, then gave us this low, then went ahead to create what? A new high, okay? But just relative to each other. So there's nothing like a new high here. The only time price rallied was after the price came to mitigate some things here, okay, some zones here, price rallied and break structure. So what do we call this? This is the second BOS. And where is the last low? This is the last low that was formed by price, okay? So looking at this is our first BOS, okay? So this is confirmation number 1, okay? And our second BOS has happened. Then what do we look out for? We look out for price to come and take what? The low, this low, okay? And looking at here, which zone do you see that is fresh and unmitigated? This is the only zone here, this demand area, okay? This is the zone that is fresh and it is unmitigated. Price has not tested it before. After that, price mitigated some other flows here, okay? Price left this unmitigated. There is no candle wick inside, nothing, okay? So price left that one, okay? So let me quickly delete this, okay? So immediately price tapped into the zone. You can see the way price rejected from that zone, okay? And closed as a bearish candle. Do you see that? Okay, so secondly, what followed it? A bullish candle followed it. Okay, so after this bullish candle followed it, what next? Price still came, closed as what? As a bullish candle at this point, but it rejected all the way from these highs, which is very nice. So at this point, a closure of the bullish candle is your entry. Stop loss below the low of the candle that tapped into the zone. This is where your stop loss is going to be, below the low of this 30 minutes candle that tapped into that zone. That's where your stop loss is going to be. You buy right from there. And can you see the way price moved all the way to 1 to 8R? Okay, this strategy is very simple. It's the simplest model I can ever get to have my strategy simple for everyone to get it, to understand it. Okay, this is just it. Okay, if you see, this is the first one hit, okay, and another one here. Looking at the internal structure, you can see that price broke structure, break structure, okay. Then the third one, you can see that price manipulated the Asian high and came into the zone. Okay, I looked at this, but this was not too clear because this is a new strategy. So I'm trying to be, to follow the instructions behind it. Okay, so this is the second example on the GBPJPY chart again. The second example is, this is the first break of structure, okay, and this is the second break of structure for me. And all I just wanted to see is to see price come and take the previous lows, okay? And the previous lows that was being formed was this, okay? It was this low right here, which is the Asian low, okay? But in this scenario, you can see that price already tapped into the demand area, so it is invalid for me, okay? It is invalid. Although price gave and still pushed in some good profit, but it is invalid because of what is not aligning with our plans, okay? So another one again is this one, which you can see here. This is a break of structure, okay? A break of structure, a proper break of structure with a candle happened here, okay? Then secondly, we can see that price broke this high, okay? This is first BOS, second BOS, and plotting this, you can see that price, you need to look out for unmitigated zones. That is the first thing you need to look out for within this range. This one here has been used, okay? Secondly, why did you fail to leave this one? Because this one has been mitigated right from time, so it's off the plan. This is the first zone, which you can see here, unmitigated, fresh demand area, unmitigated. You don't need to complicate it with anything. Plot it, you can see the way price tapped inside it, rejected off, and what happened? Price closed as what? As a bullish candle. Then your entry is just right there and stop loss below. Okay, don't mind how long the stop loss is going to be. The thing is, risk to reward ratio 1 to 3, you are out. If price pushes more than that, very good. This is 1 to 3R, okay, which is good. And here is 1 to 8R, which is good. That is 11R. The only thing is focusing on the probability. That's just all you need. And the second one we had here was this other block, okay. It's more like another flow on the 5 minutes. Okay, this is it here. It's more like a demand area or whatever you can call it. You can see what happened after the price failed this one and reversed. What happened? Price tapped into it, closed as a bearish candle. Then the second tap closed what? As a bullish candle. Your entry is just after the closure of that bullish candle. That's your entry right there. Stop loss below the low and target 1 to 3R. Okay, if you, just when you are, because this is from a 4-hour zone actually, if you are also aligning with the 4-hour area, you can also see that this is what a very big target for you, 1 to 10R. If you can hold it, fine. It's just 2 days trade setup. That's just it. Okay, but if you can look here, you see the first setup we had this one here, and the second one we are supposed to have was this, but price did not present it well. And the third one we had was this one. Okay, you can see how simple it can be. Why would you enter from here? This is first BOS, second BOS, right? All of the lows of this starting from here is liquidity. Okay, you can say that after that this low was taken, we should start buying. No, we wouldn't be buying from here because of what price is already trying to seek for more liquidity from here. And if you look at this range, this demand area and this demand area, which one is much better to buy from? Is it not this? Is this one? It's very fresh, like price has not tapped into it and price came. You can see the reaction. And this one too, the same thing. Price has not tapped into it and price came. Look at the reaction. Okay, so this is what happens when you focus on high probability areas. Okay, so the same setup happened. Let's still analyze internally to see if we really get any other setup apart from this. This one, break structure internally, could have still made some more entries, but price did not present it well. Just like break of structure, which you can see here. And second BOS probably around here, price came to grab this, but there was no valid area of demand to buy from, so price started pushing from there. That's just it. So guys, this is the end of this episode. Okay, on the second episode I will be explaining the sell scenario as well, but with this you can just go right now and start backtesting this. Make sure you follow the simple instructions behind it. First of all, 30 minutes time frame is the time. Okay, secondly, on the 30 minutes you want to see a break of structure. First one, break of structure, the second one, and you want to see price to come and induce the last break of structure low. Okay, that's just it. And you want to look for what? Fresh demand area to buy from, and that's it. This is a simple concept. So guys, see you guys on the next episode. Subscribe to this channel and also like this video. It takes me a lot to create content for you guys, and also send signals to the free groups. I'm trying, guys. I'm being more transparent than any other thing. Okay, so show me love. Don't make my work look like as if it's nothing. Subscribe to this channel today. Like every of my videos. It's not going to take anything from you. So see you guys on the next episode. Bye.